Hi, my little shardies. Welcome and welcome back. This is Christina with Shhh or Online. Today we're going to be doing a quick flip through of Coloring Heaven's Fairies in Nature Special, which is issue number 75. It's 40 exclusive enchanting and playful designs by Jenny Cook. For those of you who do not know, Coloring Heaven is a UK-based magazine. You can get a subscription here in the United States by going to coloringheaven.com. It runs about somewhere between $30 and $35 every 3 months. You can also occasionally find them in Michael's craft stores, but I found it's pretty difficult, and if you do find any, it's usually only one copy. All right, without further ado, let's get this thing started. My favorite images in this magazine were 15, 16, 39. I can't decide which ones I like best. Let me know what your favorite images are. If you like what you see, make sure you hit like and subscribe and turn on those notifications so you're told each and every time I post a new video. As always, stay safe, stay healthy, color happy, and remember, shh, it's our little secret.